Hello students, welcome to the Biology 1. In previous video we discussed about the first chapter, the living organisms. We have to discuss the characteristic of living organisms. In characteristics, we also discuss growth, reproduction and metabolism. And last we discuss about the nomenclature of the biological classifications, which is given by the ICBN and ICZN. Some rules are created for the give the scientific name of the living organism. So we have to already done these rules, and now today we discuss about the chapter 8, that is the cell. This chapter is also we have to discuss and complete it. Now today we discuss about the some characteristics of cells and the basic information about the cell. So students, you have to know that all the living organisms, the structural and functional unit, the structural and functional unit of all the living organisms, that is cell. The Antoine Levon book, which is the first discovered the cell, and the Robert Brown, which is first discovered the nucleus in the cell. So this is the two main scientists which is related to the cell. The study of the cell, it is known as cell biology. It is a branch of the biology, cell biology. In cell, we have to show the nucleus, nuclear membrane, organelles, etc. are present in the cell. Cell is made up of various types of organelles like mitochondria, chloroplast, plastids, Golgi body, lysosomes, etc. Ribosomes, and the nuclear membrane and nucleus is the main part of the cell, which is the different type of functions given in the cell. So it is the main structure of the cell. Cell is composed of nucleus, nuclear membrane, and membrane bound organelles is present. Like ribosomes, it is not membrane bound organelles. It is one of the organelles which is not the membrane bound organelles. The basic structure of the cell is nucleus, nuclear membrane, and organelles is present. Now we discuss the main two organisms of divided basis of the cell biology, that is prokaryotic animals and eukaryotic animals or organisms. So, what is the prokaryote and what is the eukaryote? Students, it is the very basic definition and very basic concept of prokaryotics and eukaryotics, which is helping all over the 11th and 12th standard. So, be carefully understand this word. Prokaryotic animals. What is prokaryotic animals? Pro means very primary. The nucleus is absent. Nuclear membrane is absent. Membrane bound organelles is absent. And genetic materials is present in cytoplasm. This is the characteristic of prokaryotic animals or organisms. Which animals have lack of nucleus and lack of nuclear membrane, lack of membrane bound well developed organelles, and genetic material is present in cytoplasm. Those animals are including in prokaryotic animals. In eukaryotic animals, well developed nucleus is present. Surrounded nucleus, the nuclear membrane is present, which is protect the nucleus. The genetic material is present in nucleus. The genetic material is present in cytoplasm or nucleoplasm in nucleus. So this is a eukaryotic animal and this is prokaryotic animals. The examples of prokaryotic animals is bacteria. It is one of the best examples of prokaryotes. In higher animals, organisms including eukaryotic organisms. In eukaryotic, it is also divided into two types, that is unicellular and multicellular. Uni means one. Only one cell is present and these cells are doing all the functions of the cells. So this is known as unicellular animals. Example is Protista kingdom including in unicellular. Only one cell is present and these one cells are doing all the functions of the cells. This cells is known as unicellular and multicellular. Two or more cells are present. All the cells have different type of functions. The cells is combined and form of the tissue, and tissue form is organ, and organ system level organization is found in multicellular animals. Example is the higher animals. In higher organisms, multicellular type of living cells is present and unicellular only one cell is present. So it is prokaryotic and it is eukaryotic. Eukaryotes are divided into two types, unicellular and multicellular. So this is a very basic definition and word of the biology or cytology: prokaryotes, eukaryotes, unicellular and multicellular. Now we discuss about the cell structure and cell of the organisms or living organisms. This is the structure of the nucleus. Nucleus have various type of organelles are present, that is nuclear membrane. It is including nuclear membrane, nucleopore, nucleoplasm and nucleolus. So there are four main structure of the nucleus. In cell, the nucleus is the very much useful organelles of the living organisms because they have the four type of the basic structure are present in nucleus. The first is nuclear membrane. The nuclear membrane is the outer structure of the nucleus. This is nuclear membrane. It is double bounded structure. In nuclear membrane we show that the space is present, which is known as the nuclear space. The nuclear membrane is not a continuous structure. In some places there are pore-like structure is present, and this pore-like structure is known as nucleopore. The function of the nucleopore is it is barrier of materials between nucleoplasm and nucleus. So it is the function of the nucleus. Inside the nucleus, the liquid-like structure is present. It is known as nucleoplasm. In nucleoplasm, some fibers-like structure are present, which is made up of protein, and that is known as chromatin. The chromatin is the main part of the nucleus because this chromatin is formed in the genetic material. So it is a very important in nuclear. In chromatin material, some space have the form of the nucleolus. This nucleolus is formed in some special organ of the cell. That is, the region is NOR, nucleolus organization region, which is formed in chromosomal part of the cell. So this chromatin is genetic material, nucleolus is present, and now this genetic material is converted into chromosome. So the chromosomes have 4 types, which is the presence of centromere, or base of the centromere. The chromosomes are 4 types. First is metacentric. In metacentric, the centromere is central position and the 2 arms of the chromosomes is equal. In second, it is submetacentric. In submetacentric, the centromere is moved the upper side. So the lower arm is long compared to the upper arm, and this is known as submetacentric. It is equal arm. It is short arm. It is long arm. In acrocentric, this centromere is moved and reach the top of the upper arm. So the long arm is very much long and the short arm is very much short. So it is known as acrocentric. And last one is telocentric. In some telocentric, the upper portion is not found. Only and only the basic short arm is present. So this type of centromere is known as telocentric. So this is the 4th centromere, which is based on the centromere position of the chromosome, and this is the structure of the nucleus. Very well understand and read the every topic and every language carefully. In some doubt, we have to message me, call me, and we have to solve your questions. All the very best and thank you.